Today we are going to make PC controlled desk lamp which are in the shape of PS4 controller sign. So without wasting further time, let's get right into it. To make the main body of the desk lamp, we are using PVC pipe known as pattern, easily be purchased from your local store at fairly cheap price. Take a PVC pipe and mark lines on it so that it can be easily cut afterward. Here I am marking to make a square. Now it's time to cut the PVC pipe. It can be easily cut with the help of a scissor. Here I have already cut 4 pieces of PVC pipe. When placed in an orientation, makes a square. With the help of some electric tape, I have placed everything together. Now here I have already made 4 symbols: X, O, triangle and square. When placed in an orientation, make yes controller signs. Now it's time to paste all symbols together. They can be easily pasted together with the help of some hot glue gum. To make it more stiff, you can use some electric tape on the backside of the symbols. Now it's time to place some pixel lights in it. You can easily paste pixel with the help of some hot glue gum. Now everything is done. Now it's time to cover the front of the lamp. Take your trace paper and mark your symbol signs on it. Now it's time to place trace paper on the front of the lamp. Now everything is done, it's time to make the connections. I have already explained everything in detail in my previous video, which will be linked in the I button or in the description. In that video I have already told how you can control pixel light using your PC. So you can watch that video by clicking the link in the description, or here will be the I button. Now here is the final result.
I've never felt so alive in my life, 'cause you make me come to life every time I'm free. Oh, and I'm loving all that you do. Can't you see that I'm crashing right into you? Right into you, I'm free. Oh, and I'm loving all that you do. Can't you see that I'm crashing right into you? Yeah, I'm free falling. Can you hear me calling for you? Yeah, I'm free falling. I'ma keep on falling.